everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. I am so glad you're here today. It is the Monday after Christmas and we have some shopping to do. So come along with us and see what we are getting. So I hope everybody had a wonderful Christmas break. You'll have to let me know some of your favorite presents down below. The boys, they did pretty good. This is one of Ezzy's shirts he got from his grandma. It's so cute. Trust God and chill. I love it. So how many of you have put away your Christmas decor already? Or do you wait till after the new year to do? I get the itch as soon as Christmas is done and we've unwrapped presents that I want to start putting things away, but I waited until the next day. So let me show you. All right, so we had the tree here and it is gone. But I do have some, hi guys. They are going with me to Target and Paul as well. So we're gonna be shopping at Target. But I did keep like the winter stuff. So I have some of these out still. And in the other room, I do have some wintry things as well. So we are on our way to Target right now and I'm gonna show you everything that we get. And maybe some of the things we're planning to get still. We'll see. These guys are on a mission. I think they're going to the toys. It's definitely a little picked over. Hope they find what they want. So Ezzy, what did you get for Christmas? Why we're here?
I got a Target gift card.
Okay, so do you kind of have an idea of what you want to get?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, do you think they'll have it? It looks a little picked over here.
Well, I hope they have it.
What are you kind of hoping for? You want more Lego? Yeah, more Legos. Okay, let's go take a look. Well, we are ready to show you what we got, huh, Ezzy?
Yes.
Yes. All right, we're back. I did end up buying some groceries, so I'll show you some of those as well. And the boys were super excited to get to use their gift cards, right? Mm-hmm. So he spent about $65 of his gift cards. You want to show them what you got?
Yeah, I got Poppets.
Ooh, so those are going to be for New Year's, they said.
Maybe. Unless we're just going to throw them at each other.
Don't throw them at each other.
And then I got a Lego set.
A Lego set. So this one's really cool because it looks like a fossil. The dinosaur are pretty neat. Mm-hmm.
And there's one more thing. A headset.
A headset. Of course, gamers need headsets and they wear them out pretty fast. So maybe I can use this when I'm teaching preschool. I'm just kidding. They're like, Mrs. Ines, your headset is so big. All right, cool. You can go ahead and take it and then let's keep going. All right, for Jonas, he just picked up just a few more of these Poppets and he got this shirt. So pretty cool. It's got the little floral pocket there. So he loves this kind of stuff. So now I'm gonna show you what we got. So have you all gone to a store after Christmas and checked out the Christmas decor? They're normally clearancing them out. Well, at Target, we found some. I found this super cozy blanket. It's regularly $20 and I got it for $6. That is so awesome. It was 70% off. And I had actually been eyeing this because I think this color would be great for winter and then just to put it on like the foot of a bed. So I'm really excited about getting that as well. I picked up a couple of these bigger bags of Rolos. So they're normally like $6, so they were $3 each. So these, we're just talking about how we could use them. We might put them into some brownie mix or melt them in on top of some pretzels. Those are always so delicious. I picked up some face cream. I love this one. I just normally wash my face, put some face cream on and go to bed, basically. So I love this one. And I definitely needed some more wireless earbuds. I'm not, the AirPod type. So because I lose these things a lot. In fact, the ones that I had, I think I spent $20 on them and I lost them about a year later. So these were only 10, and I love that they're raspberry, so maybe I can find them a little bit better or a little bit easier. I picked up a couple of these bowls. Paul is off this week, so having some good go-to meals, that seems like a good idea. These look really, really good. So I'm sure he'll love them. And then Ezra started grabbing some things. Of course, he loves his waffles. So he put those in. And I thought these would be great for the kids. These boneless chicken bites that are buffalo style. And so I have behind me as well some more Diet Coke and Diet Dr. Pepper as we've been getting low because of the holiday. So let me show you what's in these bags, and then we are all done. So this isn't my weekly haul. We were just at Target and I thought, what could we have like as quick meals or maybe some quick breakfast ideas? And I will tell you, like it seems like around 7 or 8 o'clock every night so far of our vacation, we get really snacky. So we've been, I think having some of these around will help. I picked up some of these bagels and some cream cheese and some tomatoes to make my favorite just bagel mix, because I love putting the lemon pepper on it. So if you like tomatoes and you love a bagel, you may want to try some of this lemon pepper on it. It is so, so good. I picked up also some lettuce. So the tomato and the lettuce together can be for sandwiches, which we have a lot of sliced ham. Also I'm going to be making some cheeseburgers this week. Picked up some more of Ezra's favorite wheat breads, just some whole wheat. And then he also picked these up and said, Mom, we definitely need to get these. I think he saw how perfect they were. Look at how beautiful they are. They're nice and red. Surely not quite the right season, but looks like they're delicious. So that'll be good. Oh, and I picked up some more cheese for those burgers. And then the last thing that I picked up were these. I've been eyeing these quick bites. I love that it has some cran raisins or the cranberries and almonds and some cheese. This is going to be a perfect snack as we're getting into the new year and with resolutions. I already start to kind of get mentally like, what's a good detox? Just trying to have some good snacks out that I will just kind of more gravitate to. Let me know some of your tips and tricks for what you have planned to get ready for the new year, if getting in shape and getting your best self is part of the goal. So I'd love to know some of those things, or if you have a website you're going to, because this also balances that I had to buy some brown sugar for cookies. So, everything in moderation, right? And then the one other thing that we picked up that Ezra wanted were some chips with his sandwiches. So no one's supposed to eat those except for him. So thanks so much for going with us to Target, going with us to go finish some Christmas shopping, some of the gifts that we got, and also just a little bit of snacks for our family. Have a wonderful day, rollers. Stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.